Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I will be your patient and your doctor at the same time. What's your candidate number?
Yeah, my candidate number is 333.
Did you read the scenario outside?
Yes.
Your patient, you can proceed.
Okay. Hello, my name is John. I'm one of the surgical doctor working here. May I confirm your name and age, please?
Hi, my name is Lee. I'm 55-year-old.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I would like to examine your ankle joint.
Yeah.
And this examination includes looking, feeling, and do some special tests. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so I need you to expose your both ankles.
Yeah, I did now.
Okay, and do you need any charge to attend this examination?
No need, no.
Do you have any pain right now?
Yeah, I have been on the right side, but it's okay.
Okay, that's fine. Now, Mr. Lee, can you please stand on this spot, please?
Yeah.
I will take a look from front.
Okay.
I will come from this side. Brilliant, Mr. Lee. I will come from the other side. Mr. Lee, I would like to take a look from behind.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Very good. Okay. So, Mr. Lee, do you use any walking aids?
No.
Okay. Could you please walk until the end of the room and come back? I will be beside you in case if you need me.
Yeah.
Okay. Brilliant. Come back, please. Okay, Mr. Lee. Now, I would like to take the temperature, and ideally I should take these socks out.
Doctor, I feel cold, yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Do you feel any pain, Mr. Lee?
No, doctor, I just feel some pain on the right ankle, yeah.
Alright, that's fine. I'll be very gentle. Checking the temperature. Above and below. Here. So, Mr. Lee, I would like to feel your feet, please.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah.
Okay. If you feel any pain, please let me know. Okay, brilliant. 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 Okay.
No pain on the right side, to be honest.
Okay.
On the left side, I mean.
Okay, here.
Here, yeah.
There's no pain here. Here. Here, no.
Yeah, there's some pain here, doctor. On
I'm so sorry.
Not
here?
Yeah, on the
I'm so
on
sorry.
the outer side, yes.
The lateral side, yes. Do you need any painkiller?
I'm okay for now, yeah.
Are you able to continue?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Check here. And I will check here. Now I would like to check the pulse, alright?
Yeah, okay.
Here. Okay, brilliant. Here. Brilliant. Here. Brilliant. Okay, Mr. Lee, I need you to move your left ankle upward,
Yeah,
downward,
yeah,
inner side, please.
okay.
Outer side.
Yeah,
Excellent. The right leg, please. Upward.
I think, yeah.
Excellent. Downward. Lateral side.
Yeah, I feel some pain,
Yeah,
doctor.
it's okay. Inner side.
Yeah.
Okay, that's perfect. Now, Mr. Lee, I would like to do all the movement. Just relax, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Up. All right. Down. Okay. Excellent. Okay. Excellent. This leg will be very gentle, Mr. Lee.
Yeah, it's painful, doctor. Please be careful.
Yes. If you feel any pain, please stop me.
Yeah.
Excellent. Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent, Mr. Lee. Now, Mr. Lee, I'd like to do some special test. I will push your ankle forward, okay? If you feel any pain, please let me know. Very good. Okay, I will be very gentle, okay?
Yeah, there's some
I'm
pain.
so sorry, Mr. Lee.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Now, Mr. Lee, some special test, please.
Yeah.
Okay. So, inversion, plantarflexion, dorsiflexion, anatomical position, eversion. Excellent. Okay. Inversion, plantarflexion, dorsiflexion, anatomical position, eversion. Okay. Very good. Now, Mr. Lee, I would like to do special test, the last special test. Could you please stand and put your leg like this, and then I will squeeze in your calf muscle.
Okay.
Okay. This? Yes. Excellent. Now I will squeeze.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. The other leg, please.
Okay.
Excellent. Excellent. Okay, Mr. Lee, we have reached our end of examination. You have been so cooperative. Do you need me to help you redress?
No, that's fine, doctor.
Okay, so I will discuss this examination with my consultant and I will update you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, doctor, can you present your patient, please?
Yes, of course. I did a clinical examination on Mr. Lee, 55 years old, who presented with a pain in his right lateral ankle. On examination, patient has antalgic gait and tenderness in the lateral side of right ankle, and there is a decreased range of motion and positive Talar Tilt Test. Regarding the Simmonds Test and Anterior drawer test, both of them were negative.
Okay, doctor, from what you said, what's your main differential diagnosis?
So my main differential diagnosis is a right lateral ankle sprain.
What's your differential diagnosis?
So I would like to consider undisplaced fibular fracture and Achilles tendon rupture.
Okay, doctor, and how will you investigate this patient?
Before the investigation, I would like to complete my examination by examining the joint above, which is the knee joint. And after that, I will request an investigation including ankle joint X-ray, anterior, posterior, and lateral view, MRI, and blood investigation include full blood count, C-reactive protein, ASR.
All right, and how will you manage your patient?
Regarding the management, I will discuss the case first with my consultant and consider MDT meeting. And then we have conservative management and surgical management. In case of just a sprain, I will consider give the patient analgesia for the pain, rest, physiotherapy, and follow-up. If there is undisplaced fibular fracture, I will consider back slap for 6 weeks and follow-up. If there is displaced fibular fracture, I will consider internal fixation, open reduction and internal fixation, and follow-up as well.
Okay, the time is finished now. You can proceed to the next stage.
Okay, thank you so much.